Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 其 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 其 means his, her, is, or that. For example, 其实其实 in fact, actually. Check this sentence. Actually, you never need to do this. You never need to do this.其实你根本不需要这样做。其实你根本不需要这样做。To do this. 其实 actually, 你根本不需要这样做。Actually, you never need to do this. 其实你根本不需要这样做。其实你根本不需要这样做。其 in cursive. 其其 his, her, is, that. 其实 in fact, actually. Actually, you never need to do this. 其实你根本不需要这样做。Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 其. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.